Hi, I'm Sergeant McCullough with the Vermont Army National Guard, and I'm the Marketing NCO. This is Sergeant David with the Colorado Army National Guard.
Today we're going to talk to you a little bit about best practices in dealing with your state's USPFO. Now, Sergeant McCullough, USPFOs can seem a little frustrating at times in dealing with a recruiting and retention battalion's marketing department. What do you think would be a great way to approach a new marketing NCO dealing with their USPFO?
That's a great question. So, as you're starting out as the marketing NCO, you're going to want to go over and introduce yourself to your USPFO. Figure out, who's your contracting rep, who's your billing official, who's going to be there that you report to for your GPC request forms. Once you do that, that's kind of your icebreaker, and that kind of sets the rest of the tone for your relationship moving forward. So I would say right off the bat, that's the first thing you need to do. How about you? What did you do when you started?
I think those are all great points. Dealing with the PPI and swag that we have to purchase on a week-to-week, month-to-month basis, it is important that we develop and nurture those relationships because our recruiters depend on us to have those paid in a timely fashion. Recruiters have to get events paid for. That can be with a state fair, a county fair, a college display. Sometimes we need swag to facilitate those events. So having a good relationship with the USPFO can help those GPC purchases run a lot more smoothly.
Absolutely. Another thing that I did was I actually asked them for their regulations because we do work off of different regulations than your USPFO.
Absolutely.
So I asked them for that, and I also asked them for an approved contract. So I knew exactly what they were looking for when it came time for me to write my first contract.
Now I know I've had many frustrations dealing with contracts. Those can be quite timely, going into the months of an approval process. So what can we expect when submitting a first contract for a brand new marketing NCO?
I would say for a brand new marketing NCO, just have an open mind, be flexible, understand that you may not get exactly what you want the first time, and that it may go through a revision process 2, 3, 4 times, depending on what your USPFO really wants from you in that contract. So I would say just go into it with an open mind and be okay with constructive criticism.
Constructive criticism is definitely going to be key because we're going to need that to become better marketing NCOs.
Absolutely.